voice is not audible.
Sound is not audible.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. No
Yes,
sound.
ma'am.
No sound. Just give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's not clearly audible.
Okay, give me 1 second. Now it's audible. Yes,
no,
it's
ma'am.
audible
No,
or not?
ma'am.
No, it's not
No, ma'am.
audible.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Some of the jobs we know today we consider being high risk for future automation. Jobs are there, just in a different technological way. And remember, employees of the future need this.
मैम आवाज़ बहुत धीरे आ रही है बस.
AI can easily improve critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity. Some of the digital technology jobs that exist today.
Yeah, actually, this is from my side. No problem. What you learned or what we see here, कि jobs responsibility and the role of job will change according to the year. And how can you say that the roles and the job offers, or we can say job responsibility, will be modified, or we can say change during the years?
Ma'am, because of the evolution of the technology over the time.
The reason behind this advancement in technology, we can say. Advancement in technology, we can say. Am I audible to you,
Yes,
please?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am.
Yes. So this is the reason we can say that the roles, the printing machine, software engineer roles, cloud computing, digital marketing, these are the new roles and responsibility in the next era. So now we will discuss IT in library. Yes, library. Okay, okay. Traditional method in traditional time, what we say, okay, library is there, the books kept over the racks, and we go there and read it out books and kept again, or we want to take it from home, you can take it. What is the meaning of IT library? In earlier time, you remember that one teacher or one librarian ma'am is there, and they can keep your record manually. Yes, they can keep your record manually, but nowadays they are using software, they are using number of application to maintain the record of your library. Like one student take a book for 5 days. Yes, it's okay. They have to return and it okay. And but not manually over a website, over an application, over a software. Fine. And why we are using technology in library? Ma'am, screen is not clear. Okay, just is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Students,
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
It's clear, ma'am.
students, can you please let me know?
Yes, ma'am, it's
You
clear.
are
Yes,
clearly
ma'am, it's
Okay,
audible.
so please tell
clear.
me how can we use. Okay, okay, no problem. Just give. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, the functioning of library is collection of resources, processing the data, storage of the data. If we want to retrieve the data, we can record or information for longer time. If we want to recover, if we want to fetch out the data, we can easily fetch out from. The use of new technology, word processing, text editing, character recognition, voice recognition, these are things, or we can say technology used in the libraries. Now we will just move on. IT will help in business and marketing as well. So please let me know how, if you are a businessman, how can you promote your business by using technology? Yes, students. Okay, the first thing is blogging. What is the meaning of blogging? Blogging is different from the website. Blogging means wherever the people or the customer or the client, the specific interest people can give their views and opinion presentation. Yes, you can create a presentation and upload over the website, upload over the social media application. Next thing is email communication. If you want to promote your business, you can take help from the email communication. Graphic design software and social media is the most important thing where we want to promote our business. We can post take our clients or customers. There's an application called GoDaddy. Yes, GoDaddy will help you, or we can it gives services for website hosting. What about e-commerce? Do you know about e-commerce? What is the meaning of e-commerce? Any one of you?
Mom, using of businesses online.
E-commerce means electronic. Yes, we can purchase product online, but is it possible that we can sell our products online? It's fine. You are the customer. You want to become seller. What happen? If you are having a business of clothing, yes.
Ma'am, such a service is also available on Amazon.
Yes, both the services, like if you want to become seller, if you want to become a customer, yes, both the things, both are having different account. If you are creating a customer account, okay, that means you are able to purchase anything from the website. And if you are become a seller account, if you are having a seller account, means you can post your product over the website, the e-commerce website. Yes, please let me know 2 or 3 websites, we can say e-commerce websites. And what are the advantages of e-commerce? Yes, Flipkart and Myntra, very good. And OLX, yes, OLX, yes, it's not Amazon. Okay, fine. OLX will gives a. Okay, next thing is IT in banking. Yes, Snapdeal is also. IT in banking. How can you say that banking will also improve, or it provides number of features by the help of technology? How can you say that? In traditional time, whenever we want to withdraw some money, whenever we want to deposit some money in our bank account, we have to move towards the bank, and we have to become a part of the queue as well. Then we get money, or we get deposit our money. But nowadays we are here, we are using net banking, we are using UPI, we are using digital transaction as well. So there is no need to move to your bank and withdraw or deposit your money. So it reduces your time, it reduces your efforts. And online banking is there, ATM is there, banking application. Every bank have its own application as well. But most of the people using Google Pay and Phone Pay, Paytm as well. Telebanking means whenever debit card and credit card, these are some application where you can use IT in banking, we can say. Means banking also helps, take help from the technology. Okay, now we want, that is another thing is IT in insurance. How can we say that IT will also help in insurance? Can you please let me know? Any one of you?
Ma'am, many insurance companies have their own websites and apps.
Exactly, and they can keep their record, like whenever you are the starting date of your policies, process for continuation, date of next installment, date of policy maturity, interest, dues, bonuses. These are the benefit where you can save your amount, or we can say save our money for a long period of time. What about IT in communication and social media? You all are having the Facebook account, WhatsApp, email. So how can you say that it helps in communication? Social media and these application helps in communicating with our friends, our relatives. We can post something, we can connect with number of people together, we can get information of those who are living outside of India as well. What about IT in entertainment and arts? How can you say that?
Amazon Prime.
The good example is Netflix and Amazon Prime. Yes. First of all, I just want to share that one thing. Like whenever the new movie will be released, you have to move to the theater as well. But nowadays, most of the movies released over the Netflix and Amazon Prime as well. So you are taking the subscription and you are using the new movie over your mobile phone, over your computer, or you are having the smart TV as well. Yes, Z5 also we can say. Now IT in healthcare. I just moved Disney Hotstar. Yes, number of websites are there. IT in healthcare. Please let me know the voice is audible to you or not. Audible,
Yes,
students?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Audible?
audible.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Audible. Audible, ma'am.
Okay, those who are facing issue of network connectivity. Okay,
ushering in an era changing how medical decisions are made and treatment is rendered.
please pay attention.
Retail settings, healthcare providers have begun to recognize the importance of treating patients remotely. In 2014, $2.3 billion was raised for digital health startups, and between 2011 and 2014, $1.9 billion in capital was raised for companies aiming to use predictive analytics. By 2018, 70% of healthcare organizations are expected to invest in medical mobile apps. An estimated spend of $1.5 trillion on wearable health monitor technologies and mobile apps calls Plus has allowed for a more timely administration of treatment for patients at their homes, significantly reducing the cost of intervention with excellent results. With one program in the U.S. reducing admission rates to hospitals by 18% for its diabetic population who use remote monitoring and communication, and their readmission rates have also dropped by 31%, all of which reduce the costs to the test center by 7%. An alternative to hospital-run healthcare programs is the drive towards patients using wearables and other personalized technologies to receive a variety of readings, which they can directly compare to a number of benchmarks and decide whether or not to proceed to a healthcare professional. Other patients may instead choose to consult health social networks to share information from their automated readings. Consult a physician during Q&A sessions. Even seek emotional support.
And the audio is very low.
Patients may also use apps to detect a correlation between their condition and medication interactions or bad health practices. So make a decision on how to improve their health or more impact. Patients may also use opioids for personalized genomic services.
No problem. You can go through with this and we'll discuss in the later.
Testing, environmental testing, and even predictive biosimulation. Such a style of healthcare is being termed local convenience store for those who choose to consult a healthcare expert. A number of options may arise that redirect the patients away from the hospital. Retail outlets in common city centers and clinics in remote locations can receive patients, review their information, and decide whether to continue with further care by a physician. On-call doctors are also readily available to answer questions and provide healthcare directives. Video chat, email, or mobile phones to patients anywhere. Telemedicine has grown exponentially, with 72% of hospitals and 52% of physician groups in the U.S. currently providing such services. telemedicine programs have seen an annual growth of about 30% over the past few years. Among the risks associated with advancing personalized technology in healthcare is the belief that technology will take over the role of the doctor. In 2017, 142 million medical and health apps are expected to be downloaded, and an estimated 6 licensed. Nevertheless, hospitals and healthcare professionals will still be at the forefront of all treatment plans, especially in unique cases. Therefore, the new dynamic of doctor-patient relationships requires new collaborations in the value chain.
Okay, who will explain it? Means what kind of changes or what kind of improvement, advancement in healthcare centers, in healthcare industries? Class, am I audible to you? Ma'am, share the link of the video here. Will see your own. Yeah, sure, no problem. I'll share the link with you. One and the technology. I hope you receive these links. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the advancement of technology are improved day by day. Okay. Just give me a minute. So you enjoy the session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone.